In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to backtest free on GoCharting. Backtesting is simply practicing your strategy on past market data to see how it might have performed. GoCharting's bar replay lets you do this manually, candle by candle, without spoilers, so you can focus on reading price action as it unfolded in real time. First, open a chart on GoCharting. Make sure you're looking at the market and time frame you want to practice on, and confirm the chart has loaded fully. Once your chart is up, you're ready to switch into replay mode. Next, click the bar replay button on the top toolbar. This switches the chart into a controlled playback environment. You'll see a replay toolbar appear, giving you the controls to manage the flow of historical data. Think of this like a remote control for the market, letting you move forward only as you choose. Now, double-click the specific candle where you want to start the replay. This sets your starting point. Pick a spot where you want to test your decision-making from a clean slate, perhaps before a big move or at a point where price looks uncertain. Double-clicking tells GoCharting, "Begin my simulation here," and the platform will hide everything to the right, so you won't be influenced by what actually happened next. With your start point locked in, use the slider or the replay toolbar to adjust speed and play or pause the market action. Start slow so you can watch each candle develop and think through your process, where you would consider entering, where you'd place a stop, and how you'd manage risk. You can pause whenever you need more time, then press play to continue. If you're reviewing a longer period, feel free to increase the speed to move through quieter sections, and then slow it down again when price reaches key areas. The goal is to simulate your real workflow, step by step, without rushing. If you need to start over or return to the present market, click the calendar symbol in the replay toolbar. This resets the replay and brings you back out of simulation mode. It's helpful if you pick the wrong starting point or just want a fresh run from a different area of the chart. That's it. By opening a chart, entering bar replay, choosing your start candle, controlling speed and playback, and resetting with the calendar icon when needed, you can practice for free and refine your edge with discipline. Remember, this is a learning tool. Stay consistent, review your decisions, and focus on clear, repeatable rules.